Hi there! There are never too many recipes for good veggie patties. Today we'll use buckwheat. I've cooked the buckwheat already. Next we'll chop the vegetables. 1 onion. I have cabbage. I love buckwheat. It's full of nutrients and protein. Grate the potatoes and carrots. I have a state-of-the-art grater. That's our vegetables there. Add some spices, a clove of garlic, some thyme, and Herbamare salt. Black pepper, and some basil. And, of course, the buckwheat. Grated cheese and eggs. I'll add some wholegrain spelt flour. It binds the patty ingredients nicely. We don't need breadcrumbs. Let's make them into patties. Make them nice and plump, so they won't dry up. When you make a big batch, you can use them as snacks the next day. Full of nutrients and flavour.